a good woman, in all fairness to you.
So you left from which part you there? If you come tell me, say you have a report me.
That's on other things. You know that you almost dislocated the lady hit them the other day when you're Russian.
Lucky, me never dislocate the whole lot.
And this you should look up to? She said that she thought that you was a nice and decent woman, you know, she was expecting better than that from you, you know.
You and her is alright. Me and Festus' relationship was no secret. Yeah? And she never stopped till she opened up herself, man.
But I thought the Lord said to ask and it shall be given unto you. It's not so.
So she asked the Lord for Festus. Alright. See that? She have him all to herself now. Me I go ask you please, lady, if you come out of the place. Some kind of Christian woman.
Judge not lest he be judged. The Lord work in mysterious ways, and I am not going to question the Lord.
One day, Christian. Me I go beg you, please to come out of the place. And you, your sister, and Festus can go to hell.
Hell? When I die and I leave this earth, I know where I am going to go. You know where you is going. If I was like you, I would repent, you know.
You hear me say to come out of the
I'm
place?
not afraid of you. You know who I used to call.
Penny can't wear Auntie Marjorie. So, Sister Passion come. Stop provoke the lady. She done down with Festus already.
Valid roof. Festus don't want her. If me tell Festus jump him ask how high.
And if she say running, say how fast. It's not your fault, you know. You probably need to just take it to the Lord in prayer.
Take it to the last. I might tell that room.
Hello. These people stop.
I wonder, this woman come kiss up in Bible and cha-cha.
Alright. Fight and done.
Hold on, right?
What am I?
All right. Yes.
Sister Passion!
Yes.
Auntie March! Listen, Sister Passion! What are you on, yes?
I